All right, what's going on, Tycoon? So for today's video, we're going to be looking at ticker symbol INTC, Intel. Okay, it's a chip company, as you know and have heard. There's been, lots of supply chain shortages related to chips and chip companies. Um, and the overall chip sector is projected to double, I believe, in the next 5 to 10 years. So I think that chip plays are definitely good mid to long-term investments right now. Um, all right. So with that being said, we have the daily chart pulled up. Just want to show you guys it did have a gap here to fill up, but it did fill that gap. Okay, and we are currently waiting on this gap to fill. Okay, so we have a gap from $60 up to 62. All right, on the daily chart, and we also have a triple bottom here. One, two, three bottoms, and if you notice, we've had all this bullish activity afterwards. So that was definitely really nice, a nice bullish indicator. Okay, we may fall again. Okay, it definitely can fall again. It's basically had some box consolidation. If you look, basically in this zone right here has been what you would call box consolidation. Okay, it did gap down. It came back up and filled this gap, okay, over here, and we filled it right here as well, okay. But the stock has just been kind of consolidating in this range, basically. All right, so we could get rejected up here and come back down. But it was a nice catch if you caught it on this third bottom. It had one, two, three, four, five, six. So, six bullish days in the market. So, options contracts did really well, have been doing really well on INTC, and I definitely like it. Okay, we need to break out of this box consolidation, and we need to get out of here. Okay, and we need to really start trading back up into this gap area. All right, and once we fill that gap, then I think that we may retest all-time highs again. Okay, but for the moment, I just think that this one is a nice play. It's got that nice gap fill on there, and it's in a great sector. That's going to be Intel should be seeing nothing but good business right now. So if you think the stock will price will reflect that, then we can expect the stock to go up and hopefully fill this bullish gap up to fill from 60 to 62. So let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, the link to join the Discord is down below. Lots of great content down there.